Hey everyone, welcome to my channel GadgetGriddle. Have you ever opened your fridge and found wilted spinach, soggy carrots, or tomatoes that spoiled way too fast? If that sounds familiar, then today's video is going to save you money, reduce food waste, and completely transform your fridge organization. Today, I'm reviewing one of the smartest kitchen upgrades you can buy on Amazon: vegetable and food storage containers for the fridge ***. These aren't just regular plastic boxes. These are specially designed storage containers that help keep your fruits and vegetables fresh for days, sometimes even weeks, longer than traditional containers. First, let's talk about the build quality. Most of the top-rated Amazon options are made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic. That means they're safe for your family and durable enough for everyday use. The lids usually come with adjustable air vents. This is important because different vegetables need different airflow levels. Leafy greens need more breathing space, while berries need controlled moisture. With these vent systems, you can customize the airflow depending on what you store. Now let's talk about the real magic: freshness control. Many of these containers come with removable drain trays at the bottom. So when you wash your vegetables and store them, excess water drips down instead of sitting under your food. That prevents sogginess and slows down spoilage. No more slimy lettuce or mushy cucumbers. I personally love using these containers for spinach, coriander, capsicum, beans, and even cut fruits. The difference is noticeable. Vegetables stay crisp, colorful, and fresh-looking for much longer. If you buy groceries weekly, this is a game changer. Next, organization. Most sets come in stackable designs. That means you can maximize vertical space inside your fridge. Instead of random plastic bags taking over your shelves, everything looks clean, neat, and aesthetic. Transparent bodies also help you see what's inside instantly. No more forgetting about hidden vegetables in the back corner. And if you're someone who loves meal prepping, these containers are perfect. You can wash, cut, and store everything in advance. It saves time during busy weekdays. Now let's talk about value for money. On Amazon, you'll find different sizes: small containers for berries, medium ones for chopped vegetables, and large ones for leafy greens. Some sets include 3 to 10 pieces, and most of them are very affordable considering how much food waste they prevent. Think about it: if you throw away spoiled vegetables every week, that's money going straight into the trash. Investing once in proper storage containers can easily pay for itself within a few months. Cleaning is also simple. Most of these containers are dishwasher safe, and the removable parts make washing very easy. Who should buy these? If you have a small fridge and struggle with space, buy them. If you want to reduce food waste, buy them. If you meal prep weekly, definitely buy them. If you love an organized, aesthetic fridge, you'll love these. The only small downside: make sure you choose the right size according to your fridge dimensions. Always check measurements before ordering. Overall, vegetable and food storage containers for the fridge are one of those small kitchen upgrades that make a big daily difference. Fresher food, better organization, less waste, and more savings. If you're serious about keeping your groceries fresh longer, I highly recommend checking out the top-rated options on Amazon. I've linked some of the best value sets below. Upgrade your fridge, save your vegetables, save your money. And once you try them, you'll wonder why you